In this CanvaKitz review, I'm going to be showing you a way that you can have unlimited high converting promotion designs using special templates that you can use inside a completely free software. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out CanvaKitz, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And also hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of JVZoo after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says create unlimited high converting promotion designs without using paid software. Multiply your profits with the first ever super complete that creates unlimited promotion designs for you so you get unlimited buyers starting today. So essentially what this is, these are done for you templates that you can use right inside Canva. Now Canva is a 100% free software that you can use online. There are paid versions of it, but you don't need to get the paid versions to be able to use this with it. You can use these designs inside of it and make things look really, really nice. Now, if I move down here, I want to show you some examples. So this is like they're saying like without CanvaKit, it's expensive. You pay monthly fees at different places. You've got designs that are already used by other people, blah, blah, blah. With this, it's 1,900 done for you premium design templates ready to use. You get all of them. You can edit all the elements using Android and Apple devices. Click and edit as you want. Save your time to create the unlimited designs. 100% commercial license, so you can use these in your business as well. Step 1, you just log in and select your template. Step 2, you edit your template with Canva, again, which is a free software that you can use online. Then you export and post with it. They've got multiple different categories here. They've got a diet category here. They've got like they're calling it dietitian. I don't know what this is. Dietitian, I think. Vitamic. They've got this one here. All these different examples of different designs that you can use in your marketing. Story designs, just like different colors, different images, food ones here, tons and tons. If you go to the sales page, you can see all these ones that are on here. Just like look at these ones. These like all go together. That's pretty cool. Poster templates, YouTube thumbnail designs. Again, you can edit them all inside Canva, and of course the commercial license with this. Now you can get all of these for a low one-time price. It looks like it's on some kind of a dime sale here, so the price is going to keep going up with every sale. What I'm going to do now is play you a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'll come back, show you the backend area and the OTOs.
Do you want to set up your profits with the first ever super complete unlimited promotion designs? You're right to be here. The new fact is, businesses are closing their offline shops and setting up online stores for your safety. It's not by choice. Everyone is being forced to shop online, which is why online sales are exploding worldwide like never before. 95% of viewers like attractive graphic design to deliver a message, compared to 5% only reading it in text. Buying online has become a necessity thanks to social distancing. And visual content is the only thing right now that's getting people's attention. It's your smart ways to make unlimited promotion designs by building engagement and conversion rates on social media and online stores. Attract buyer attention with professional, stunning visuals. Increase your e-commerce sales with powerful designs ads. Instantly start a side business with ready-to-sell awesome designs and make your 100% profits. Stop thinking about everything. Get more traffic and profit for your business right now. No more create yourself. No more stress. No more wasting time. Now you can easily create unique and amazing visual designs in a few seconds and charge a premium, get paid, and keep 100% of the profits on sites off your desk as well. Introducing CanvaKitz. It's an all-in-one designer for unlimited traffic and sales. Your visual content is ready to post in a few seconds. CanvaKitz is custom-made by a team of professionals just for you, as you will not find our templates anywhere included in the Canva library, whether you're using a free account or a pro account. These are the best tools you need to grab customer attention with professional visual content. Your design like a professional and under your control with CanvaKitz. Just 3 simple and easy ways to create high-quality design promos with CanvaKitz collections. Step 1. Log in and select a template. Step 2. Edit template with Canva. Step 3. Export and post. Yes! is easy and fast, right? You can create unlimited high-converting promotion designs in a few seconds. You'll get 1,900 plus templates for your business. Check out our templates. You only need CanvaKitz to make the best promotion on your post, ads, blog, and many more. No more create yourself. No more stress. No more wasting time. CanvaKitz helps you save countless hours and thousands of dollars on your business without much effort. Today is your day because you will get a special price and commercial license. So you can start working hard as a professional graphics creator and sell unlimited designs creation services on social media or website services and make your 100% profit. What are you waiting for? Buy now and get a special price. Early bird price for CanvaKitz will end in a few hours. You only need to click the button below and access CanvaKitz with a special discount price.
Okay, so after you purchase, you'll have access to this backend area here. Again, they'll have explanations on how to do this, how to download all of your different designs here to use inside of Canva. They have them all listed here for you so that you can use them in here. You get your extra bonuses here, your tutorial. So if you have no idea how to do this, they teach you how to do it as well inside of this system. Now they also have upgrades. So the first one here, it says get stream more new templates here. So you can get a bunch more templates, exclusive for new customers only, more templates ready to customize, and you get all these extra ones here. So tons and tons more. Scroll down here, like a never-ending thing here. Tons and tons more stuff here for this upgrade. It looks like it's going to be around $33 for this one. The next one here that you're going to see is you get premium video and graphic designs for this one. So you get a bundle of these ones here. This one is price. I will try to show you guys the prices if I can. Around 47 for this one. And the last one is a super complete marketing kit. So high quality video and graphic templates, no extra software or plugins needed for this. And for this one, you get all these extra ones here, tons and tons of stuff included in here. And if I can find the price for you, that one's going to be around $69 for that one. All these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about CanvaKitz and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, if you're expecting some fancy new software, this isn't it. These are templates that you use inside of Canva, which is free. So just know that you're not getting a software with this, you're getting assets to use inside those softwares. What do I like about this? This is a really smart idea. You make it so people don't have to buy a new software. They can use one that's already really well supported and doing really well. Plug these into there, make something that looks nice. If this is something that you're looking to do for yourself or your clients, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review. If you're looking at checking out CanvaKitz, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again in my next review video.